So you think you can fix your credit yourself, and maybe you can, but here's what you need to understand. The nature of why people create DIY credit repair content on YouTube. And it has nothing to do with helping, and if you don't understand the economics behind it, you're going to get fooled. Now, I know you're concerned about whether people want to scam you or if they're just mediocre and want to make some money. I'll tell you exactly how to spot the differences. I've been doing credit repair for 13 years, and my clients pay me $5,000 to $10,000. I have 170 videos of client testimonials that prove this. And I was #1 on Google for credit repair for many years. If I sucked, none of that would be possible. But most of you watching this aren't qualified to be my clients. And that's not an insult, that's just an observation. So by the end of this video, you'll know whether you're the exception or whether you're about to waste the next 18 months of your precious time trying to save money that you don't actually have. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you why DIY credit repair fails for most people, how to spot predatory YouTube advice, what separates winners from losers in this process, and how to know if you should even attempt to do this yourself. By the end, you'll know exactly where you stand. You're welcome. So let's start with the underlying truth, why people create DIY content in the first place. Because if you can't understand this, you can't evaluate whether or not the advice is worth following. The barrier to entry determines the skill set. Nothing quality in this life is going to get cheap or easy for anyone to do. And that's exactly why quality services charge a high amount. When you see someone on YouTube making videos titled, "This will make all credit repair companies hate me," what they're doing is painting credit repair companies as evil to position themselves as their savior. It's called framing. Every marketer, skilled marketer, does this. That means they're not sharing information out of the kindness of their hearts. They're creating content because YouTube pays them. And YouTube pays based on views. And here's what the economic reality creates. And obviously YouTube isn't paying enough, which is why they need to sell you bullshit DIY fixes like AI now. Before I show you how this tension economy destroys the quality of advice you're getting, you need to understand why these people made videos rapidly. Because this reason tells you everything about whether you should trust them. These DIY creditors get paid on views. That's their stream of income. Obviously not enough, which is why they rapidly make videos after video after video after video. They're doing anything for views. That's predatory. It's clickbait material, and it's selling hope to people that aren't qualifying to fix their own credit. Because at some point, you fucked up your credit to begin with. Unless there's some serious credit counseling, like some class, some school, some guidance you undertake to handle your financial decision-making, whatever credit repair button clicking service like Discubeast or Dolby AI or whatever proprietary bullshit out there isn't, by the way, it's not proprietary.